In this video, I'm going to teach you all the tricks you need to know on how to divide mixed numbers. So if we have a problem like this that says divide the mixed numbers, and we have 5 1/4 divided by 3 1/2. So first step is write the mixed numbers as improper fractions. How do you do that? Well, the first thing to do is you take this one and you multiply 4 times 5, and then you add whatever you got here, you add 1 to it. Okay, so how does that look? It looks like this. So it equals 5 times 4 and then plus 1, and you put all that in the numerator and 4 is your denominator. Okay, so you just calculate that out and you get your improper fraction of 21 over 4. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 1 is 21 over 4. Now you do the same thing for 3 1/2. So you multiply 3 times 2 and then you add 1. And let's look at that in an equation form. So it's 3 times 2 plus 1 over 2, the denominator. Okay, so now you have your improper fraction of 7 over 2. So now the next step is you could write that down. So instead of using these mixed numbers, you use your improper fractions here, 21 over 4 divided by 7 over 2. So the next step is multiply by the reciprocal. So just remember your rule when you have to divide fractions of keep, change, flip. That's the rule when you divide fractions. So we keep this one, 21 over 4. We change the division to a multiplication, and we flip 7 over 2 and it becomes 2 over 7. Okay, so that's how you divide fractions. Now we can cancel the common factors. The common factors are the cross multiplication usually, and so we know 7 fits into 21 3 times and 2 fits into 4 twice. So let's start with 2 and 4. 2 crosses out, becomes 1, 4 becomes 2, right? 2 fits into 4 twice. Now let's do the 7 and the 21. 7 fits into 21 3 times. So 7 becomes 1 and 21 becomes 3. So now we just multiply what we have left. 3 times 1 and then 2 times 1. That equals 3 over 2. Now we can simplify that and put it into a mixed number. It becomes 1 1/2, right? 2 fits into 3 once with 1 left over 2. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. Don't worry if you didn't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. In the ebook, you will find a link to this video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that are similar to this if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.